this is going to be interesting. So I bought this, well, my company bought this for me for research. And of course, it came with a key, right? It turns out, when I found this out, I was flabbergasted to say the least. Same key for every device. This 1000 plus you see here, some of you have probably seen it. This is one of the most common ones I've seen in the United States. When you see this, the key that it came with, right here, I'm holding in my hand, works for this, but also works for all of my other apartments that I may or may not have tried. It works for, so I confirmed that it works for every 1000 where no one has changed the lock, and I've never seen someone change the lock. It also works for the AM3 Plus, the one that I saw in it. I didn't try it on the toilet, but the same one that was on the toilet, it works for that too. It might work for the 8500, never tried it, but why wouldn't it, right? So this same key works for all of them, and you can purchase them on eBay if you're lucky enough. I haven't found one, but if you're lucky enough, you might find one on eBay. You could pay $1,700 and buy this whole thing and get the key, or you can, if you're lucky, the AM3 Plus, the smaller one, find the enclosure alone just for that. It should come with the key. It's $100 and